Car insurance isn't always kind to people with a complicated driving history. Whether you've had a DUI, missed payments, or your credit took a hit, finding affordable coverage can feel impossible. That's where Bristol West steps in. But is it a legit solution for high-risk drivers, or just an overpriced backup plan? In today's video, we will review what Bristol West Auto Insurance actually offers. We will discuss its coverage options, insurance ratings and consumer reviews by different agencies, and different insurance discounts that Bristol West offers. So if you want to learn more about how Bristol West compares to other insurers, head over to autoinsurance.org. Just type your zip code into our easy-to-use free comparison tool. It's fast, easy, and lets you compare quotes from top-rated auto insurance companies in seconds. Let's kick things off with the basics. What is Bristol West Insurance? Bristol West is a non-standard auto insurance company, which means it's designed specifically for people that traditional insurers consider risky. Think DUIs, poor credit, lapsed coverage, or multiple traffic violations. What sets it apart, though, is its backing. Bristol West is owned by Farmers Insurance, a major player in the industry. That gives it a strong financial backbone, even if it operates under its own brand in most states. In terms of availability, it's currently offered in 43 states, giving it one of the broader footprints among non-standard insurers. If you're struggling to find a company that'll say yes, Bristol West might be your foot in the door, but it won't come cheap. Want to check if Bristol West is your best priced option? Visit autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare quotes from different insurers that are available in your area instantly. Let's look at the actual coverage you can get with Bristol West and how it stacks up. In addition to standard protections like liability and collision, Bristol West offers several optional coverages that can make a big difference depending on how and how often you drive. One optional feature to consider is gap insurance. It covers the difference between what your car is worth and what you still owe on a loan or lease if the vehicle is totaled or stolen. There's also rental car coverage, ideal if you drive rentals frequently. This provides liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage when you're driving a rental vehicle, protecting you from unexpected out-of-pocket costs. Also, rental car reimbursement can keep you on the road if your vehicle needs repairs after a covered claim. It pays for a rental while your car is in the shop, up to a certain daily limit. That way, you're not left without transportation while waiting for repairs to finish. There is also rideshare coverage, available for drivers using apps like Uber or Lyft. Offered in certain states, it fills the gap between your personal policy and the coverage provided by the rideshare company, especially during those in-between periods when you're logged in but haven't picked up a passenger. If you're worried about breakdowns, roadside assistance is another smart option. This service helps with flat tires, jump starts, towing, and even lockouts, so you're not left stranded. And to go a step further, there's also towing coverage. This covers the cost of towing your car to a repair shop after a mechanical breakdown or accident. It helps you avoid paying out of pocket when your car can't be driven and needs professional repair. Coverage-wise, Bristol West offers practical extras for high-risk and everyday drivers. But it's worth comparing what other insurers include in their base plans. Want to see if other insurers offer more coverage for less? Head over to autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare quotes to know which insurance providers offer policies that fit your needs and your situation. Now let's talk about reputation, because insurance isn't just about coverage options or pricing. It's about how a company supports you when things go wrong. Transitioning from financials to customer experience, that's where some concerns start to show. Let's look at the customer reviews and ratings from different agencies. First, AM Best gives Bristol West an A rating, meaning it has excellent financial strength. This rating signals that the company is financially stable and backed by Farmers Insurance, giving policyholders peace of mind when it comes to claim payouts. Next, NAIC reports a 2.20 complaint index, which means they received more complaints than average. That means Bristol West receives significantly more complaints than expected, with common issues including billing errors, surprise cancellations, and a frustrating claims process. There is also Consumer Reports, who gives Bristol West a 68 out of 100, categorized as fair customer satisfaction. Users on review sites often mention poor communication, rate increases without notice, and difficulties with unresolved claims. J.D. Power scores Bristol West at 812 out of 1,000, placing it below average in customer satisfaction. This scale is based on customer feedback about pricing, claims, and overall experience. So a score below 820 suggests the company underperforms in key service areas. Frequent complaints include long wait times, unresponsive service, and inconsistent policy handling. Lastly, Better Business Bureau, or BBB, gives Bristol West an A- rating, which reflects good business practices. This means the company generally handles disputes in a professional way. Even if customer reviews still mention unresolved issues and poor communication, these agencies paint a consistent picture. While Bristol West is financially solid, it struggles with customer satisfaction. If service quality, responsiveness, and a smooth claims experience matter to you, it may fall short of expectations. Want to know what other options are out there with better customer reviews and affordable rates? Visit autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare quotes in your area and explore options that suit your budget. It's fast, easy, and could save you more than you think. Now that we've covered coverage and customer satisfaction, let's shift focus to something everyone cares about: saving money. Even if you're a high-risk driver, there are still ways to lower your premium with the right discounts. Here are the available discounts Bristol West offers and how they can help you cut costs. To begin with, there's the Safe Driver discount, which can give you up to 20% off. If you've avoided accidents or traffic violations for a set period, Bristol West rewards your safe driving habits with lower premiums, encouraging responsible behavior behind the wheel. In addition, you may qualify for a bundling discount that can give you 15% off. Bundling with Bristol West can streamline your billing and earn you a decent discount for sticking within the same insurance family. Another way to save is through the Paid in Full discount, which offers up to 12% off. Paying your entire premium upfront instead of monthly shows financial stability, reduces processing fees, and can unlock a solid one-time savings. Moreover, the multi-vehicle discount can reduce your premium by up to 10%. If your household insures multiple vehicles with Bristol West, you'll receive a lower rate per vehicle, ideal for families or shared car situations. Finally, students may be eligible for a good student discount, which can also save up to 10%. Full-time students under 25 years old with a strong GPA may qualify, since insurers often associate academic success with lower risk driving behavior. Bristol West offers a solid, though limited, lineup of discounts compared to major insurers. If you want to know which provider offers these discounts with better rates, head over to autoinsurance.org. Just type your zip code into our free comparison tool and see which auto insurance options better fit your wallet, all in just minutes. Bristol West can be a lifeline for high-risk drivers who need coverage when others say no, offering essential protections and solid financial backing. But with higher rates and mixed customer reviews, it's worth comparing your options before you commit. If we helped you understand Bristol West better, don't forget to like this video for more content like this. Comment to tell us about your experience with Bristol West or their parent company, Farmers. Maybe you have a story to share that could help others. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss future insurance reviews, tips, and ways to save on your coverage. When it comes to car insurance, the best policy isn't just the one that says yes, it's the one that treats you right when it matters most. Thank you for watching, and see you at our next video.